Host, hey everyone. Welcome back to your channel name, where we dive into the latest stock market trends and investment opportunities. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Host, voiceover. Today, we're taking a closer look at Lucid Motors, ticker symbol LCID. Lucid has been a hot topic in the electric vehicle, EV, market, and its stock performance has garnered a lot of attention. So, let's break down what's been happening with Lucid Motors and whether it's worth considering for your portfolio. Host, voiceover. Lucid Motors went public through a SPAC merger back in 2021, and since then, its stock has seen significant volatility. The company's flagship vehicle, the Lucid Air, has been making waves in the luxury EV segment. But with the stock's recent performance, let's analyze the key factors driving its value. Host, first, let's talk about the company's financial health. Lucid Motors reported its Q2 2024 earnings recently, and there are some notable points to discuss. Their revenue showed growth, but they're still operating at a loss, which is not unusual for companies in the growth phase. Host, voiceover. For Q2 2024, Lucid reported revenue of $250 million, up from $180 million in the previous quarter. However, their net loss was $500 million, which is slightly higher than the $450 million loss reported in Q1. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they reflect the company's ongoing investment in scaling production and expanding their market presence. Host, now, let's discuss production and delivery updates. Lucid has been ramping up its production capabilities, with the goal of delivering 20,000 vehicles by the end of this year. They're also working on new models and expanding their manufacturing facilities, which could be key drivers for future growth. Host, voiceover. In addition to production, the company has been securing strategic partnerships and investing in technology to enhance their competitive edge. These moves are crucial for maintaining their position in the competitive EV market. Host, but, like any investment, there are risks to consider. The EV market is highly competitive, with established players like Tesla and new entrants constantly changing the landscape. Lucid's ability to differentiate itself and execute on its business strategy will be crucial for its long-term success. Host, voiceover. Analysts have mixed opinions on Lucid stock. Some are optimistic about its growth potential, especially with the increasing demand for luxury EVs. Others are cautious, citing concerns about profitability and competition. Host, so, should you invest in Lucid Motors? It really depends on your investment strategy and risk tolerance. If you believe in the long-term potential of the EV market and Lucid's ability to execute its plans, it might be worth considering. However, make sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Host, that's it for today's analysis of Lucid Motors stock. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about Lucid's prospects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. 3.